Gaming laptops have become smaller and more powerful than ever, and in this video I'm breaking down the top 5 best gaming laptops so that you'll never have to suffer through another glitchy gaming experience ever again. Now the issue is that a gaming laptop might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most gaming laptops are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So, regardless of what you are looking for, I'll have the perfect gaming laptop for you. All the links to find the best prices on all of the products mentioned in this video are going to be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First up, I have the Razer Blade 16. The Razer Blade 16 is a powerful gaming laptop that seamlessly combines performance and design, making it a standout choice for both gamers and professionals. One of its most striking features is the stunning 240Hz OLED display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it ideal for gamers and media consumption. Now, its dual-mode mini LED display offers superior color accuracy and brightness even when compared to more powerful computers like the Alienware M18 R2, a much more powerful laptop that, nevertheless, can't outmatch the Blade 16 in terms of visuals. Powered by an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics, the Blade 16 offers exceptional performance, handling even the most demanding games and applications with ease. Its sleek all-metal chassis is compact despite housing a 16-inch display, and the keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions, while the large glass trackpad provides a smooth, responsive experience. The display, though glossy, provides rich, immersive visuals perfect for high-fidelity gaming or video playback. While the Blade 16 excels in many areas, there are a couple drawbacks to consider, such as a short battery life during intense gaming sessions and a cooling system that, though effective, can get loud when the laptop is under heavy load. Despite these minor issues, the Blade 16's overall design and performance more than make up for them. The wide array of ports, including Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI 2.1, ensures excellent connectivity, and the laptop's high-end specifications make it a future-proof choice for the average gamer. The Razer Blade 16 shines with its incredible OLED display, powerful performance thanks to its Intel Core i9 and RTX 4090, and professional design. However, loud fans during gaming and shorter battery life are the main drawbacks. Overall, the Razer Blade 16 is an excellent option for those who are willing to invest in a premium gaming laptop that offers top-tier performance, stunning visuals, and a sleek design. And if you're looking for a machine that can handle both work and play with ease, the Blade 16 is definitely worth considering. Next, I have the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16. This is my choice for the best gaming laptop for most people. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 offers an impressive blend of power and portability, making it a standout gaming laptop. Now, this model is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, ensuring top-tier performance. What sets the G16 apart is its ultra-thin, sleek design, packing serious gaming hardware without compromising portability. Now, the standout feature here is Asus's ROG Armory Crate software. This provides customizable performance modes like Silent and Turbo, allowing you to tailor the laptop to your specific needs. Additionally, its advanced cooling system includes liquid metal thermal compound, ensuring the hardware performs efficiently during intense gaming sessions. This thoughtful design emphasizes both performance and usability for most gamers. The G16 shines with its 240Hz OLED display and NVIDIA G-Sync, delivering a smooth experience in fast-paced titles. Now, the color accuracy and Dolby Vision HDR support will make the gameplay look as sharp and clear as ever. The laptop's design features a premium aluminum alloy build that feels both durable and lightweight. At just 0.7 inches thick and 4.3 pounds, the G16 is among the most portable 16-inch gaming laptops with a sleek finish and a slash lighting array for added flair. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Valhalla run smoothly, but it can get quite hot during heavy sessions, leading to loud fan noise. Battery life is underwhelming, lasting just over 6 hours. On the plus side, it features Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and Thunderbolt 4, offering flexibility for connecting peripherals. Despite thermal and battery challenges, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 is a powerhouse in a sleek package, perfect for gamers. Overall, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 is a solid choice for gamers seeking a balance of power and portability. While its performance is exceptional, the laptop's noise and battery life could be improved. Nonetheless, its design, display, and hardware make it a top contender in the gaming laptop market. Next, I have the Acer Nitro V16. This is my choice for the best gaming laptop for the money. The Acer Nitro 16 AMD is an affordable gaming laptop offering solid performance with configurations ranging from an AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS to an AMD Ryzen 7940HS. The Nitro 16 comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 or 4070 GPUs, ensuring strong 1080p gaming performance. Its standout feature is the 165Hz refresh rate on a 16-inch 1920 by 1200 display, which is particularly appealing to competitive gamers. While the laptop has a bulky, gamer-centric design with aggressive styling, it delivers in terms of functionality. The keyboard features full RGB backlighting, adding to the gaming aesthetic, and the performance is reliable, handling most popular games at pretty decent settings. The Nitro 16 excels in gaming, though ray tracing can cause performance drops in some games that require a high level of CPU. It runs most titles smoothly, especially at 1080p. For non-gaming tasks, battery life is honestly pretty decent, offering just over 9 hours of regular use, but it drops to under 2.5 hours during gaming. Now, despite its size and weight clocking in at 6 pounds, the Acer Nitro 16 is a solid choice for those who are looking for a reliable, gaming-capable laptop. However, if you do seek portability or longer battery life, it may not be the ideal option. The Acer Nitro 16 is a cost-effective choice compared to other gaming laptops with similar specs. While the design might not appeal to those who prefer sleeker aesthetics, the laptop's performance is more than adequate for competitive gaming, making it a solid investment for price-conscious gamers. Its weaknesses, such as the bulky design, battery life, and webcam quality, are balanced by its strong performance and affordability. So if you are looking for a budget gaming laptop with solid specs and great performance for competitive gaming, the Acer Nitro 16 is really a great pick. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, please check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also hitting that subscribe button. Next, I have the Alienware M18 R2. This is my choice for the best overall gaming laptop. The Alienware M18 R2 is a powerful gaming laptop that delivers exceptional performance, making it one of the top contenders for gamers and creators alike. Now, equipped with up to an Intel Core i9 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, it handles demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Fortnite with ease, delivering smooth frame rates even at high settings. Now, the laptop's 18-inch 2560 by 1600 display with a 165Hz refresh rate offers vibrant visuals, though its brightness could be improved compared to competitors. So for those seeking even higher frame rates, an FHD version with a 480Hz refresh rate is available, but the higher resolution screen strikes a better balance for most users. Now, a standout feature is the Cherry MX mechanical keyboard, providing a tactile and responsive experience that enhances both gaming and typing. The M18 R2 also boasts a wide range of ports, including multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, mini DisplayPort, and even an SD card reader. Perfect for gamers who need versatile connectivity without extra adapters. However, the M18 R2's cooling design is honestly kind of lacking, with hot air blowing onto your hand from the exhaust vent during long gaming sessions, which can end up being uncomfortable. You may also struggle to find a suitable surface for it due to its size, but overall, the Alienware M18 R2 offers fantastic performance and an immersive gaming experience. Its raw power completely outperforming the other gaming laptops such as the Acer Nitro 16. So for users looking for the best desktop-like performance in a portable form, the M18 R2 is a great choice. Next up, I have the Asus ROG Strix G16. The Asus ROG Strix G16 is a gaming laptop that blends powerful performance with eye-catching design. With its cyberpunk-inspired details, transparent keys, RGB lighting, and glowing light bar, the G16 stands out visually. The 16-inch screen featuring ultra-thin bezels and a 16:10 aspect ratio provides an immersive viewing experience. While the chassis is mostly plastic, it feels sturdy and the lid is durable, preventing flex. Now, the keyboard offers responsive key travel with customizable RGB lighting, and the large trackpad is perfect for casual use or precise control during gaming sessions. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, the Strix G16 excels at gaming and rendering open-world game environments known for needing high CPU capacities. It outperforms many gaming laptops and benchmarks, making it a top contender for gamers. The thermal system has been improved with a tri-fan setup, heat pipes, and liquid metal cooling, ensuring the laptop stays cool during demanding workloads, which makes sure that it stays cool far better than something like the Alienware M18 R2. The display offers QHD plus resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and a 3 millisecond response time, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors for games that boost high-level graphics. And its 720p webcam is suitable for video calls with other players, for those that prefer gaming with friends. Not to mention, the connectivity options are pretty good, with several ports, but the left side placement may be inconvenient for left-handed users. The audio, supported by Dolby Atmos, is decent but lacks clarity in lower frequencies. The GeForce RTX 4060 GPU ensures smooth gameplay with solid ray tracing capabilities. While the laptop's battery life may be a downside for some, its combination of design, power, and performance makes the G16 a top choice for gamers. Its portability and solid feature set provide great value, making it an excellent option for gamers who want both aesthetics and substance in a laptop. And if you guys liked this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.